Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the desktop Teams application for Microsoft Teams. So this is a collaboration utility and I'm going to show you guys how to download and install it today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, we're going to open up Microsoft Edge for this tutorial, might as well. And we're going to go paste in a link I'm going to have in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it. It's from teams.microsoft.com/downloads. So go ahead and just navigate over to that. Select the download Teams button. It's going to ask what do you want to do with this. Select run. So you can close out of the web browser now at this time. If you get a security pop-up, select run. So at this point you go ahead and just sign into your Microsoft account, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.